Introduction to Chios Mastiha. As I embarked on a journey to explore the ancient Greek secrets, I stumbled upon something truly remarkable: Chios Mastiha. This natural resin, derived from the mastic tree exclusively grown on the Greek island of Chios, has been a hidden gem for centuries. Its unique properties and versatile uses have made it a treasured ingredient in various industries, including culinary delights and skincare. Join me as we unveil the wonders of Chios Mastiha and discover the fascinating story behind this ancient Greek secret, the history and origins of Chios Mastiha. To truly appreciate the significance of Chios Mastiha, we must delve into its rich history and origins. The cultivation of mastic trees and the production of Chios Mastiha can be traced back over 2,500 years to the ancient Greeks. The island of Chios, with its fertile soil and Mediterranean climate, provides the perfect conditions for the mastic tree to thrive. The locals have carefully preserved this ancient tradition, passing down the knowledge and techniques from one generation to the next. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback. What is Chios Mastiha gum? Chios Mastiha gum is a natural resin that exudes from the mastic tree when its bark is scored. This unique resin solidifies into small, translucent teardrops known as mastiha tears. These tears are then harvested, cleaned, and graded according to their quality. Chios Mastiha gum is renowned for its distinct aroma and flavor, which is reminiscent of pine and citrus. Its unique composition, containing over 80 different compounds, gives it a range of beneficial properties. The health benefits of Chios Mastiha. Chios Mastiha is not only a culinary delight, but also offers a multitude of health benefits. Studies have shown that Chios Mastiha possesses antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. These properties contribute to its potential in promoting digestive health, reducing cholesterol levels, and supporting oral hygiene. Furthermore, Chios Mastiha has been used in traditional medicine to alleviate symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders and respiratory conditions. Its versatility as a natural remedy makes it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. Mastic gum. A natural remedy for digestive woes. Mastic gum has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in Mediterranean cultures, where it has been valued for its purported digestive benefits. Rich in bioactive compounds such as terpenes and flavonoids, mastic gum is believed to exert its therapeutic effects through several mechanisms, including its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation plays a significant role in the development of gastrointestinal disorders, including indigestion and ulcers. Mastic gum contains compounds that have been shown to inhibit pro-inflammatory pathways, thereby reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. By mitigating inflammation, mastic gum may alleviate symptoms associated with indigestion and promote overall gastrointestinal health. Antimicrobial effects. Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori, is a bacterium commonly associated with stomach ulcers and gastritis. Studies have suggested that mastic gum exhibits antimicrobial activity against H. pylori, potentially aiding in the eradication of the bacteria and reducing the risk of ulcer formation. Furthermore, its antimicrobial properties may help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, contributing to digestive wellness. Antioxidant activity. Oxidative stress, resulting from an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, has been implicated in the pathogenesis of gastrointestinal disorders. Mastic gum contains antioxidants that scavenge free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative damage to the gastrointestinal mucosa. By protecting against oxidative stress, mastic gum may support mucosal integrity and enhance the healing process in individuals with ulcers. Clinical evidence. Clinical studies investigating the effects of mastic gum on digestive health have yielded promising results. In a randomized controlled trial, participants with indigestion experienced significant improvements in symptoms after taking mastic gum supplements for 3 weeks. Similarly, individuals with intestinal ulcers demonstrated symptom relief and enhanced healing following 2 weeks of mastic powder supplementation. These findings underscore the potential therapeutic value of mastic gum in managing digestive ailments. Traditional and modern uses of Chios Mastiha. Throughout history, Chios Mastiha has been utilized in various traditional and modern ways. In traditional Greek culture, it has been used as a natural remedy for stomach ailments, as well as a flavoring agent in liqueurs and desserts. Today, Chios Mastiha has found its way into the culinary world, adding a unique and exotic touch to both sweet and savory dishes. Additionally, it has become a coveted ingredient in skincare and beauty products, thanks to its soothing and rejuvenating properties. From toothpaste to face masks, Chios Mastiha is revolutionizing the way we care for our bodies. How is Chios Mastiha produced? The production process of Chios Mastiha is a meticulous and labor-intensive endeavor. It begins with carefully scoring the bark of the mastic trees to allow the resin to flow. The resin is then left to harden and solidify into tears over a period of 2 to 3 weeks. Once harvested, the tears undergo a meticulous cleaning and sorting process to ensure the highest quality. The final product is then ready to be used in various applications, from culinary creations to skincare formulations. Chios Mastiha in culinary delights. The unique flavor and aroma of Chios Mastiha have made it a beloved ingredient in the culinary world. Its subtle pine and citrus notes add a distinctive touch to both sweet and savory dishes. In Greek cuisine, Chios Mastiha is often used in traditional desserts like lukumi and mastiha cookies. It is also a key ingredient in the production of mastiha liqueur, a popular Greek spirit known for its aromatic and refreshing qualities. For adventurous food enthusiasts, incorporating Chios Mastiha into your recipes will transport your taste buds to the enchanting island of Chios. Chios Mastiha in skincare and beauty products. The skincare and beauty industry has recognized the incredible benefits of Chios Mastiha for the skin. Its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties make it an ideal ingredient for products targeting sensitive and irritated skin. Chios Mastiha is often found in facial creams, serums, and masks, where it helps to calm and rejuvenate the skin. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties make it effective in combating acne and promoting a clearer complexion. By incorporating Chios Mastiha into your skincare routine, you can experience the ancient Greek secret to radiant and healthy-looking skin. Where to buy Chios Mastiha products? If you're intrigued by the wonders of Chios Mastiha and eager to incorporate it into your life, you may be wondering where to find these unique products. Thankfully, with the rise in popularity of Chios Mastiha, it is now more accessible than ever before. You can find a wide range of Chios Mastiha products, including gum, liqueur, skincare, and beauty products, both online and in select specialty stores. When purchasing Chios Mastiha products, be sure to look for the protected designation of origin label, ensuring that you are getting the authentic and highest quality Chios Mastiha. Conclusion. Unveiling the wonders of Chios Mastiha has been a fascinating journey into the ancient Greek secret. From its rich history and origins to its versatile uses in culinary delights and skincare, Chios Mastiha has captivated the world with its unique properties. Whether you're seeking to enhance your culinary creations or rejuvenate your skincare routine, Chios Mastiha offers a natural and authentic solution. Embrace the ancient Greek wisdom and embark on a journey of discovery with Chios Mastiha, the hidden gem of the Mediterranean. We are grateful for your viewership of our movie. If you enjoyed it, we would be honored if you could consider subscribing to our channel. Your support enables us to produce more captivating movies for your enjoyment. Additionally, taking a moment to leave a comment would mean a lot to us. We sincerely thank you in advance for your support and feedback.